Quick question, if I need to replace one tire, is it really necessary to replace two?
It depends on the wear on the tire. It's actually recommended to do 2 tires either from the front or from the back, just because it's going to wear out evenly. When you have uneven treads, you're going to end up spending more money in the long run on 4 tires when you can buy actually and get a discount when you buy 2. It's going to be better also. You also want the best tires with the best tread on the front, just in case if one of them blows out with low tread. When it's in the back, it's more, you're going to have more control of the steering. So you want to make sure to have the best tread in the front. And yes, it is recommended to replace at least 2 tires if you cannot do all 4, just depending on the tread and how new they are. If it's a fairly new, if you had them within 3 months, just patch it up and you can replace 1. And most of the time, just see if you have any type of warranty with the place you purchased them at. For more auto tips, just ask Ray, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on Facebook.